Very good morning to all the students. Today we are going to learn English 1, Unit 5, Exploring Values. See, exploring values means what? Values are the things that you believe are important in your life, and the things that are having a priority. The values, they also determines the priorities. So, for example, the time, the respect that you receive from your elders, punctuality, then priorities, the things, the work which you feel it's proper, the values based on all these things. And today we are going to study this unit, exploring values. Now let us start with it. Unit 5, exploring values. See, activity 1. Can you put the numbers 1 to 8 in each of square so that each side adds up to the middle number? See, you have to add the number and you have to write the number in such a way that each side, when you add it, it should be the number which is written in the middle. For example, first one, let us solve. First, if we add 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. 3 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 12. See, horizontally, vertically, when you add, it should be 12. So, rest of them you will do as your homework. Now, this is activity 2, study time. Swaminathan sat in father's room in a chair, while with a slate in his hand and pencil ready. See, what is over here, that in the first sentence what it conveys, that Swaminathan is all prepared to study with his father. He is holding a slate and a pencil and he is ready to do his work. Father held the arithmetic book. See, father took maths book. He opened and dedicated, means he started to say for something, he started to write down, he told to write down, or he started to say the thing. Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much money will Krishna have to pay? See, here it's a problem sum, that Rama is having 10 mangoes and which he wants to earn. He wants to earn how much? 15 annas. See, annas are the old unit of Indian currency. See, your forefathers will be using at that time annas. And Krishna wants only 4 mangoes and she has 4 mangoes. How much money will Krishna have to pay and how much she has to pay? So this problem sum, Swaminathan's father gave him to write and solve it. Swaminathan gazed and gazed at this sum. He was looking at this sum again and again. And every time he read it, when he was reading, one thought was there, a new thought that came in his mind. What was that? His mouth began to water all the thoughts of mangoes. See, when he was reading this sentence, and in his mind the mangoes, and mangoes, we all know everyone loves to eat. So in his mind also, his mouth started watering. Have you done the sum? See what his father asked. Have you done the sum? Father asked, looking over the newspaper he was reading. See, father was reading the newspaper, and at that time he asked him that, have you done the sum? Father, will you tell me if the mangoes were ripe? See what he says to his father. Can you please tell me, are the mangoes ripe? Father watched him. He was looking at him for a while and smothering, suffocating, when suppressing he was. A smile remarked. He smiled. Do the sum first. I will tell you whether the fruits were ripe or not afterwards. What his father said, first you do the sum and then I will let you know, okay, are the mangoes ripe or unripe. Swaminathan felt utterly helpless. If only father could tell him whether Rama was trying to sell ripe fruits or unripe one. See what Swaminathan he felt utterly means completely helpless he felt. He was not able to do anything. If only father could tell. See, father will tell him that whether Rama was trying to sell ripe fruits or unripe mangoes. Of what use would it be to tell him afterwards? Why he told me that I'll let you know afterwards. He felt strongly that the answer to this question contained the key to the whole problem. See what he felt, that if his father would have told him that it's a ripe or unripe mangoes, then there would be a key to the answer to this whole problem sum. It would be unfair to expect 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes. See what he felt, it is not right for to expect 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes. Father, I cannot do the sum. Then he said that, Father, I am not able to do the sum. Then he pushing away the slate, he kept the slate aside. What is the matter with you? The father asked, what is the matter with you? You can't solve a simple problem in simple proportions. See, it's a very simple sum, and the proportion is also very simple. Proportion means ratio when you part of a whole. So it's very simple. Why are you are not able to do it? We are not taught this kind of things at school. What he said, we are not taught this type of sum at our school. Get the slate here. Then he asked to bring the slate to him. I will make you give the answer now. See, I'll explain you and you will answer me. Swaminathan waited for a miracle to happen. See what he was waiting. Okay, that miracle will happen when something wonder is going to happen. Father studied the psalm for a second. Father was reading the psalm and asked, what is the price of 10 mangoes? See what he asked. What was the price of 10 mangoes? 15 annas, of course. Swaminathan thought. See what he said, 15 annas. Of course, Swaminathan thought, but how could it be the price? See what he said. Okay, how could it be the price at 15 annas? Was it the right price? Then he asked that, was this price correct one? And then he was not sure whether the mangoes were ripe or not, and he was also not sure that the mangoes were ripe or unripe. If they were ripe, what he says, listen here, if they were ripe, 15 anna shouldn't be an unfair price. See what he said, if it is ripe, if they were ripe, then 15 annas shouldn't be unfair. It should not be fair. It is not fair that 15 annas. If only he could get more light on this point. See, get more light means what? He comes to know more about it. How much does Rama want for his mangoes? See, what is asked, how much does Rama he wants for his mangoes? 15 annas. That Swaminathan replied that he needs 15 annas. Very good. His father said, how many mangoes does Krishna want? And he asked that, how many mangoes does Krishna want? 4. Then he said that 4. Swaminathan replied, what is the price of 4 mangoes? And father asked, now tell me, what is the price of 4 mangoes? Father seemed to be delight in tutoring him. He was very delight, means he was very pleased. Tutoring means causing mental or physical pain, tutoring his son. How could he know that? He said, how could he know? How could he know what that fool Krishna would pay? See that what he said, how could he know that what that Krishna would pay? Look here, boy, I have half a mind to thrash you. See what his father says over here. I have half a mind to thrash you. Half a mind means it's to be in a mood of annoyance or irritation, and thrash to beat him. See, I'm feeling like to beat him. What have you in your head? What is going on your head? Let me know. What are you thinking about? 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. So 10 mangoes that cost 15 annas. What is the price of one? Come on, if you don't say it then. See, you think and let me know. His hands took Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. See what he did. His hands took Swaminathan's ear, came near to his ears and gently twisted it. And he gently twisted it. Swaminathan could not open his mouth. He was not able to open his mouth because he could not decide whether the solution could be found by, he was not knowing that the solution will come by addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And the longer he hesitated means what, he feel uncertain to speak what will be the answer. And the longer he hesitated, the more violent the twist was becoming. See, the twist was becoming, and he was hesitating, he was uncertain to speak, and that time it was becoming violent, and the twist was becoming more and more. In the end, when father was waiting for the answer with a squall for an answer. Squall means frown, to show an annoyance. For an answer, he received only a squeal. Squeal means make a long, high sound, some type of sound, it's a high sound for an answer. He received only a squeal from his son, and what he received? Just a squeal. Make a long, high sound from his son. I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single man cost at 15 annas for 10. See what his father said. I am not going to leave you before you answer me this question. What was the matter with father? Swaminathan was kept blinking. Okay, what happened? He was means blinking when you open and shut your eyes. He was thinking, what has happened with, what's the matter with the father? Where was the urgency to know its price? See, what is the urgency to know the price now only? Why father is doing like this way? Anyways, if father wanted to know so badly, father wants to know the answer. So instead of harassing him harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. See what he said. Instead of harassing me, that Swaminathan, you better go, he should go to the market and find the answer to it. Father admitted defeat by declaring, see, then father what he admitted, okay, let me tell you, one mango costs 15 over 10 annas. He said one mango that is costing 15 over 10 annas, and simplify it. Now you can simplify it. Here he was being led to the most difficult part of arithmetic fractions. See, here is one type of a fraction, maths fractions. Give me the slate, father said. You give me the slate, I will find out. Say, I'll find it out for you. He worked and find out at the end of 15 minutes. See, he was solving it, and it took how much? 15 minutes. The price of one mango is 3 over 2 annas. See what he said, that the price of 3 mango will be over 3 over 2 annas. And he expected to be contradicted any moment. Contradicted means to say something opposite to someone's view or opinion, whatever is there. But father said, very good, simplify it further. Now you simplify it further. It was plain sailing after that. See what he said, now you simplify yourself. Swaminathan announced at the end of the half an hour agony. See, agony is extremely physical or mental pain where you get it. See, he was announced to at the end what, after an half an hour he was annoying. Krishna must pay 6 annas, and burst into tears. He started crying and he said that Krishna must pay 6 annas for it, and he was crying. He started crying suddenly for it. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.